You have no idea how much I'm looking forward to this.
So then everybody, I hope you can see me. The sun's low at this time of year. I know that causes havoc with GoPro, but we're out in the Type R for the first time this year, I think. So it must have been like 2 or 3 months, maybe more, since I've driven this car. Not even pottering around like nothing. It's been on the drive, on jack stands, since we were messing around with the aux beam fog lights, and since then we've ended up with a new daily. We don't have the diesel anymore. I'm not going to tell you in this video because I'm going to make sure it's got like a video for itself, but it's not powerful, it is cumbersome, it's a proper dad wagon. So that's all I've been driving around. So we're going from something like that, and it's only got 5 gears, that's gutless, and then getting into this. Buying point's completely different, gear throws completely different, engine's completely different. I'll be proper craving this so much, and I'm so happy to be back in it, honestly. I've only been like pottering around up to now in this. I haven't really done anything other than like traffic driving, nip to shops as you do. But it's a Sunday, it's not freezing, and it's not raining, which, as you'll know from, well, if you're a watcher from the UK, it has been horrendous weather lately, and wind. The wind has been atrocious, so I'm surprised I've still got the Mugen spoiler on, to be fair. So I'm just going to find some nice country roads, go for a nice little drive, and just kind of remind myself and refresh the feeling of why I enjoy driving this car and I enjoy modifying the car. Because when the weather's crap, especially with everything that's going off at the minute in the world, not just COVID, it's just like there's a lot of crap, and I look at this on drive and I'm like, I don't want to go anywhere near that. I don't really care at the minute. But no, just put my arse in gear a little bit, thought come on now, just get it so that it's back on the ground, drivable, wires aren't dangling everywhere. We'll go for a little B-road bash, shall we? Which I'm already getting excited about. Oh, I missed that. Oh, I miss it so much. I miss there actually being revs to use. It's quite a narrow road on here, so. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love this car. I love fun cars. Oh, I'm really looking forward to. I'm really looking forward to show season. I've only got one show booked at the minute. Which is, oh, it's a bit of an announcement, isn't it? A bit of an announcement. I'm going to Modified Nationals with, I'm already on a club stand, not in show and shine, nothing like that, with Outrun Car Club, which will be like, Outrun Car Club, never heard of that one, never heard of you on that one. That's because Just Automotive Perfection is now formally Outrun, because it includes more genres of car, basically. So it's not just Japanese cars that'll be on the stand. It might be if nobody comes without a Japanese car, but the club is even more so inclusive. So I'll be on that stand, I'll be there for the entire weekend, which is going to be hard because I'm going to miss my little family, but like I said, that's all I've got booked at the minute. I'm going to drop it down again, then there's somebody walking the dog. I don't think that's very courteous. I'll not do that. I'd love to open window, and I'd love to like, I see like old Harley Davidsons. I've seen an old Mustang out today. It's one of them days that we haven't had in ages. It's proper felt perfect timing. Oh, since we drove this on track, I've just wanted to drive it more when the summer comes back round. I'd love to do something like that again. I don't know when. Still trying to get brave enough to actually do a track day at some point, but we'll see. Talking of things to do, is there anything that you guys particularly prefer to be filmed? Because I don't ask often enough, to be fair, and I do try and just film things that I enjoy filming, which is always a healthy thing to do. But finding that good balance, like, I enjoy going go-karting and I enjoy filming it and it's easy to edit, but not a lot of people like to watch it. It seems that a lot of people like to watch maintenance stuff or doing installs and things like that. I don't know how people feel about meets and car shows, so let me know what your preference is, because like I said, if I can find that happy medium, doing something that I really enjoy doing, as well as filming something that you enjoy watching, then that's what I'm going to try and do. I'm not lost, but I wasn't aiming to be down here. And that's a bowling alley. There's no bowling alleys in the countryside. So alright, I've got it. I know where we are now. We've got some nice roads to weave round. Oh, it just points and goes and brakes. He brakes so nicely. Obviously it's not a big brake kit, but it's not what I've been used to for the past half a year. Oh, I nearly swearing. Can't swear on the YouTubes, can you? Oh, I missed that sound. I have missed that sound. Only briefly in it then, only briefly in it. Don't start having a go at me. Barely touched his VTEC and then he's having a wet dream. Alright, let me enjoy my car, for God's sake. Oh. God, this needs an LSD so much. It's so open-diffed, it's ridiculous. Oh dear. Careful now. We are passing Wentworth Garden Centre, one of the prestige places to visit for agriculture and scone eating, because of the cafe. And all the oldies love the cafe. Used to have a maze there. I don't know if they still got a maze. Come on then. Oh my word. Round the bend you go. There you go. Now this car's coming. Oh, the Golf on my trumpet. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go mad. There's too many. There's people trying to enjoy countryside in this area. Quite dense population, so let's leave them be. I don't want to be that yob. Look at this lunatic. We have got some lovely roads coming up, I think. Oh, that HKS just supping that area. So good. It's not a Lamborghini, is it? Just my little pocket rocket and me. That's all it is. Oh God. Bring on summer, eh? Bring on bloody summer. Everybody wants to turn left, and I know it's nice road up to left, but I don't want to be in traffic, so we go straight on. Really wanted to take you out for, to be honest, guys. I'm sitting like this, one because I'm not used to the banner, and two because I've been used to set up like that for the past 3 months, so I'm gonna get used to just laying back in the seat again. My dad's at 30 now. Oh, I think I'm gonna do a U-turn. What about you? That was, if anything, a bit refreshing, and I'm back home now. It's actually probably a week later as well, a week and a half later, and I feel good. I feel like I'm a bit more set up in my mind about doing stuff with the car, and I can't like going to shows and things like that, and just being a bit more motivated. Like I said previously, anything you would like to see, what kind of videos you prefer, please let me know, because like I said, I don't ask enough, and I really should, because at the end of the day, it's you guys that watch the videos, it's you guys that show all the support, so I want to make content that you actually like, as well as making content that I enjoy. But for now, I'm going to make it a bit short and sweet this bit, call it a day. The child is asleep in his cot, and I think I'm going to very excitedly but also very quietly
flat paddle only play a bit of GT7 because I'm loving it at the minute and every bugger's in front of me, everybody. But as you can imagine, it's not taking priority at the minute. But yeah, I'm gonna go and unwind and pretend to be a semi-decent racing driver for about half an hour. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video guys, please like and subscribe to the channel and click the little bell button to remind you when a fresh video does come on. And again, thank you for coming for a little drive and a catch up with me. I really appreciate it. And until next time, like you always say, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.